We must bear in mind the possibility that the greater opportunities open in the 20th century to women may be quite withdrawn, and that we may return to stricter regimentation of women. The closest friends I made all through life have been people who also grew up close to a loved and loving grandmother or grandfather. We, mankind, stand at the center of an evolutionary crisis, with a new evolutionary device, our consciousness of the crisis, as our unique contribution. If one cannot state a matter clearly enough so that even an intelligent 12-year-old can understand it, one should remain within the cloistered walls of the university and laboratory until one gets a better grasp of one's subject matter. When I stand on a street in a Canadian city and look across the street, it couldn't be anywhere but Canada, but how can I prove it? There is no lonelier person than the one who lives with a spouse with whom he or she cannot communicate. Envy of the male role can come as much from an undervaluation of the role of wife and mother as from an overvaluation of the public aspects of achievement that have been reserved for men. We will be a better country when each religious group can trust its members to obey the dictates of their own religious faith without assistance from the legal structure of the country. Too many people, when they reject God, go on believing in the devil. Many intellectuals have a sense of evil without a confidence in good.